AI-generated artwork has recently fetched millions at auctions, challenging perceptions of creativity. This form of artistic expression, once seen as science fiction, has entered the mainstream, prompting a redefinition of what an artist truly is. Algorithms now craft visual masterpieces and compose music, merging technology with artistry in unprecedented ways. Technological advancements have historically influenced artistic endeavors. The invention of photography revolutionized how we capture reality, and today, artificial intelligence is set to do the same. With advancements in machine learning, AI generates unique art pieces, composes music, and even writes poetry. This digital frontier expands creativity, where machines collaborate with humans, pushing art forms into innovative spheres. Specific examples illustrate AI's role in shaping culture. OpenAI's Juke Deck, an AI music generator, composes soundscapes tailored to mood or setting, enabling creators access to customizable music. Similarly, Google's Deep Dream produces mesmerizing visual art, blurring the lines between machine and human creativity. These technologies act as collaborators, expanding the definition of art, yet the authenticity and emotional resonance of AI creations raise questions. Does an algorithm's work evoke the same depth as human experience? We must examine the implications of AI for artists and society. With AI artists emerging, what does this mean for human creativity? Will artists be displaced, or can a new ecosystem where humans and machines co-create arise? We stand at a crossroads, grappling with the future of artistry in an automated world. The entry of AI into creativity presents thrilling possibilities and dilemmas. OpenAI's Juke Deck analyzes musical patterns to create original compositions, allowing for customized soundtracks. However, this ease of access raises concerns about whether artistry is diluted. If anyone can generate music with a few clicks, could we lose the nuanced emotions that define human songwriting? Turning to literature, GPT-3, another OpenAI creation, generates text ranging from poetry to full articles, pushing boundaries of writing. Authors use GPT-3 to co-write novels or create poetry, prompting reflection. The reception ranges from wonder to unease, as readers marvel at its prose but question its narrative weight. Can machine-generated stories encapsulate the human experience? Visual art is also affected by AI. Google's Deep Dream and various generative adversarial networks, or GANs, produce surreal visuals that inspire admiration and skepticism. The GAN art breeder allows users to blend images, creating participatory art. Yet, this raises questions about traditional artists' roles. Are they collaborators, competitors, or casualties? The artistic community's responses vary. Some embrace AI as a tool expanding creative capabilities, while others fear loss of authenticity and emotional depth. Traditional artists argue that AI-created works cannot replace human artistry, while proponents counter that these tools are extensions, not replacements. The metrics surrounding these technologies demonstrate rapid evolution. Juke Deck, launched in 2014, was acquired by ByteDance, indicating growing interest in AI-generated content. GPT-3's 2020 release led to a surge in using AI for creative writing. Platforms leveraging GANs have emerged, showing remarkable capabilities in producing captivating art. The rise of AI artistry questions intellectual property and ownership. Who owns AI-generated art? As we navigate these complexities, legal frameworks must adapt to address collaborative processes between humans and machines. We are at a pivotal moment where algorithms actively participate in culture creation. The future may not starkly divide human and AI art. Instead, we might find a symbiotic relationship reshaping our understanding of creativity. This interplay challenges our perception of authenticity, value, and expression. As we look ahead, we must critically assess these technologies and their implications for our cultural landscape. The answer to whether AI can replace human creativity matters less than how we integrate these tools into artistic dialogues. In doing so, we may find AI prompts a deeper appreciation for the complexities of human creativity. As we stand on the brink of this technological evolution, exploring broader implications of AI in creativity is crucial. Industries are already affected. The music sector is witnessing a renaissance in composition. Algorithms like OpenAI's MuseNet produce symphonies blending genres, reshaping roles within the industry. Musicians collaborate with AI, broadening what music can be. In visual arts, tools like DALL-E generate stunning images from text prompts, expanding creators' toolkits. Graphic design, illustration, and advertising evolve as artists incorporate AI-generated elements, redefining authorship. This transformation extends beyond creative sectors, impacting education. Students encounter AI as collaborators, with schools integrating these tools into curriculums. Lines between human and machine creativity blur, shifting cultural narratives around artistic value. Yet, while advancements seem promising, urgent questions about the ethics of AI art arise. What does originality mean in a world where machines can create indistinguishable works? Ownership of AI-generated content becomes murky. Who holds rights to art created by algorithms? Moreover, we must confront emotional connections. Can machine-generated art evoke the same depth as human-crafted pieces? AI can mimic styles, but the soul of human artistry, the lived experiences, remains absent, leading to questions about emotional resonance. Addressing limitations within AI is vital. Algorithms require vast data, often reflecting societal biases. AI in creative spaces could reinforce stereotypes or exclude marginalized voices. This potential for perpetuating inequalities necessitates a reflection on how these technologies shape our cultural narratives. Guidelines and ethical frameworks for AI-generated content are essential to ensure that creativity serves society equitably. We must cultivate an environment celebrating human creativity alongside technological advancements, rather than overshadowing it. 5 years from now, how will we define collaboration between humans and AI in creativity? Will we embrace these expressions or retreat, fearing a loss of essence? Reflecting on these questions, we envision a future where collaboration, authenticity, and innovation coexist, allowing both human and machine creativity to flourish. The choices we make today will determine our legacy.